Whoa, students, board examination day sheet is out. Time to celebrate as the wait is over and it's time up for procrastinating. Awareness, knowledge and understanding makes things easier. Likewise, now you can organize your day, subjects, chapters and topics best as per the examination schedule. Do you know why date sheet is announced exactly before 90 days? Because those students who have yet not touched their books and have not started preparation, they get enough time to pull up their socks and give their best shot. So students, this is the time when you can focus and study. 90 days for your board examination, 6 subjects for preparation, 15 days per subject approximately, and 15 chapters to cover. 1 day per chapter and every hour is very much important to you. Students, learning is based on 3 R's: receptance, recall and response. Trust me, 90 days is enough time to complete your entire learning cycle. Give 15 days per subject for this learning cycle. What you will read, write is what you will recept. You prepare accordingly. What you will apply, solve the problems of the mathematics and sample question is what you will recall. And what you will analyze and get the result out of it is how you are going to respond to it. So respond positively, and the response should be towards the growth of the knowledge. This is how you need to see. A thorough application of 3 R's can help you in learning process, and a gap of 3 days has been maintained per subject for students of all streams. This is how you need to now get an attitude and right approach to sit down and create a proper study timetable that you have to give 15 days for your preparation of each subject. So you have 6 subjects. It's not around 10 subjects in class 12. It's just 6 subject maximum that you have. So your major subjects, your 6 subjects and English. So this is something that you need to take advantage of. 15 days per subject is enough time to prepare to prepare around 15 chapters. You must be having chapters which are ranging between 13 to 15. So 15 days, which is 1 day per subject. So it's enough time to go through, and trust me kids, you can read 1 chapter not less than 5 times in a day. So imagine the level of preparation you can have in 1 single day. So people say that how can I prepare this entire topic in 1 day? It is not possible. It is possible if you sit down in the right mind, focus, okay, and get this straight into your head that you have no more time to even breathe procrastination. Not even a single second of procrastination can be there in your mind. So if you start working and use this 90 days appropriately, how do you use it appropriately? Divide your time with 15 days per subject, number 1. Number 2, 1 topic, 1 day means in 1 day you have to complete 1 chapter by hook or by crook. Now, if you're going to crook here, trust me, the examination is going to crook you. So choice is yours. You have to do it by any chance. You have to give your focus, you have to have your concentration, and you have to have the attitude and approach to learn. Welcome knowledge. You have to sit, read. If you don't understand something, read it again. There is no problem. Now people are panicking with this idea that I only have 90 days and I have all the 6 subjects to complete. Trust me, it is enough time. Even the board examination, CBSE or any board or any examination system is smart enough to give you a knock at the right time, and this is why 90 days. Use it as a boon. Use it as an opportunity for you to live your dream of getting good marks, getting 90% or above average marks. This is the time. Use these 90 days. Do not procrastinate. 6 subjects, 90 days, ample time. Repeat again, 15 days per subject, one chapter per day. This is how you need to work it out. Now coming to the board examination schedule. Now if you see, there are 3 days gap in every, okay, this 3 days minimum gap maintained. Now why 3 days? So that your entire learning process is completed, and this 3 days is just for your revision and recall. Now there are some subjects which also have around 4 days gap or 5 days gap or 6 days gap, so you need to utilize those days, not to sit back and do nothing, but you have to revise at a fast mode. How do you revise at a fast mode? By creating those recalls, okay, those you have to recall all the chapters in a very quick span. You go through the chapters or go through the lines and see, okay, this is how I can pick it up, or this is what I know, okay, this is what it is, okay, this problem, this is it. So it's a quick glance and you recall. So you have to respond in those days of gaps that you have, not prepare. So those gaps during examination is not for your preparation, but for your recall and response. It's for your recall and response. So preparation and your acceptance should happen during these 90 days. Please take it seriously. Your acceptance has to be completed in these 90 days along with recall and response, but the gaps that you have for your examination is for 2 things, which is for your recall and response, because your acceptance should have already happened thoroughly in this 90 days. So all the best, and ensure these 90 days are yours and for your marks and for your scores, which is your dream score. All the best.